What's going on, everybody? All right, so I went ahead and did it, even though it's not my thing. I prefer big profit margins. But there's a couple reasons why I decided to pull the trigger on this particular box. One is total all in was only $87. So I'm cool with that. It was worth the risk for me. And then also, too, it says there's 50 items in there. It is uninspected returns. Let me flip this around. So it is uninspected returns. 50 items are in there, it says, with a retail of $514. Even if they were new, that's not really my profit margin, 8 to 500, unless it's fast moving. But this is obviously returns, so there could be defects and what have you in here. But also spent so many years in retail, I know people just return stuff just to return it because they don't want it. So another thing that caught my interest or my eye was, first off, you see the Sony box. You see, it looks like HDMI, so I'm guessing some kind of DVD player of some sort. I'm not sure. But then I went down to look at the manifest, and they only have 30 items listed, 5 of them in particular. Now this, I don't know, is that a loaded gift card? I don't know yet, so I'll figure that out. And then I love this, unknown general merchandise, 25 items. But that still leaves 20 items unaccounted for if this number is correct. So I liked the gamble. I felt the gamble was worth it for $87 all in, being that there's 25 items that's just called general merchandise, that's not manifested, and a potential for 30 more items not manifested. So to me, that's my kind of gamble if I'm going to do something like this. So I figured it was well worth the risk, because if those numbers are wrong, then there's a chance that that number could be wrong. So you never know. So that's the way I looked at it. So we'll go ahead and do a quick open here. I have not opened the box yet. I have not looked in it yet. So I'll do a quick open, get a peek, and then I'll set this camera up and we'll go through it and see what's in here. See if it's worth anything. So I wasn't even watching the camera, huh? It's like a birthday present though, ain't it? It's like, is this gift for me? The anticipation's killing me. My dogs are like, what are you doing, dummy? All right. Da-da-da-da-da. Probably gonna be a total flop. Watch. Looks just like the picture. There's the Sony item. Upscaling player. Need some combs? I've got combs if you need some combs. Yeah, those are going straight to the trash. Ooh, I got a bath mat. I think we need a new bath mat. Might be using that. I'm not digging yet. Got some headphones here. Obviously, they've been open. Heyday. Not familiar with the brand. Air mattress. Don't need an air mattress, but we'll see. Hopefully it's worth reselling. Hopefully it's sealed, because I really don't want to blow it up just to make sure to find out. So that'll be a pain in the ass. So let me set up this camera and we'll start going through this, pulling it out. All right, I'll set it up like this so I can look things up if I want to see what we're working with here, see how bad I lost, see how much money I lost. All right, so we'll start with these. wireless headphones by Heyday. Girl, it's just noise. You don't have to be scared of everything. They don't feel that expensive. I'm curious, since I've never heard the brand. Heyday headphones. Boom, boom. Yeah, nothing special. New, they're 25 bucks. Ooh, what the heck? Alright, so nothing special there. I'll have to figure out if they work or not. Maybe get 10 bucks or so out of them. Well, there's a pre-owned pair that sold for about 20. But new they're selling for the same price, so that's odd unless they're different models. Obviously the combs, we're not going to keep those. Can't trust that. We got this Sony DVD player that's clearly been opened. Got the remote and everything in here. So we'll have to test it and see if it works. These damn things. Yeah, it's taped up. What? Yeah, it's taped up. So don't know what I'm gonna do with that. Probably ain't even worth selling. So we'll see. Figure that out. Really? Why didn't they just recycle this? Really? Bath mat. Might be able to personally use that. Okay. Spooky funeral house. Damaged, of course. Nothing. Oh man, really lost my ass on this. I can tell already. Freaking notebook. What the hell? What the hell? What the hell is this? Really? I can't even pull that out yet. UB gives. What the hell is this crap? Index cards. Index cards. Really? Index cards? I could have got more money freaking recycling this crap. Alright. There's a lot of those. Oh man, that's... Yeah, I lost my ass. A fruit bowl? Anyone? Actually, I might be able to use that. I'm finding more personal use stuff than anything. What the hell? Really? It's just foam? Actually, I can use I can use this under the dogs' beds because the one they have now is pretty beat, so I'll put this under their beds to make it softer. I spent 87 bucks just for a few personal items. Come on now. Oh, come on. Oh my God, this is too funny. This is too funny. This is why I don't do these kind of things, because even on the gambles, the profit margin definitely ain't worth it there for me, even if everything in here was sellable at new. But this is funny. This is comical. Why do you not just recycle this? Why? Why would you torture somebody like me? Let's put these things in here. Guess what? They're going in my recyclable bin. Really? Really, bulk? Really? Come on. This is... Really? Come on now. I know. This is what I bought. I get it. I don't... coax cable. Maybe I can use that to see if my DVD player works. Maybe I can squeeze 20, 40 bucks out of this thing. A Yobi bag of some sort, makeup bag maybe. Need a dishcloth? We probably do. Oh my god, this is too funny. Oh my god. Yeah, no, never again. Oh wait, I might have some lipstick here. Some makeup, some lipstick. Phone charger. I try to stay away from those. At least they made the box smell pretty. At least it smelled pretty. Yeah, it smelled fresh. That is a cool ball. Not $87 cool, but it's a cool ball. Got tons of those index cards. I gotta figure out if there's... I can probably put those at least in a lot and sell them for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 of the index cards. I mean, that's gotta at least be 15 bucks, right? So... Happy Salmon. Crazy 8. Oh, there's the other piece that broke off from my Halloween gig. And we got a pumpkin. A broken pumpkin. And we got this little Fisher-Price guy. What do you do? Let me put those down. Oh, there we go. Yeah, not so much. Not so much. Pesky flies. And yeah, I doubt there's going to be anything on this if it came from the store. Because don't you have to scan them to act? Yeah, cashier has to scan it to activate it. So I'm sure it wasn't activated. We'll make sure, but yeah. That's it. I did get a good shipping box I can reuse. Oh my god. James, bad James. You could have went out and freaking got 2 carts of stuff at the Goodwill outlet for $87. But no, James wanted to try this experiment. Experiment fail. Yeah, not for me. I do keep an eye out for like home goods and makeup and stuff like that when it's new and sealed. But beyond that, yeah, I won't be taking a chance with this kind of stuff anymore. But there it is, the big fail. But hey, you never know until you try. So now I have to scrounge my money back somehow, some way. I gotta do it. All right. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'm sorry this was not an eventful video. Yeah, kind of lame. Wah, wah, wah. All right, I'm out. Later.